हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप, आशा करता हूँ आप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो बच्चों, आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 8th का एक और चैप्टर। सो चैप्टर 8 दैट इज़ द लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल। तो बच्चों, ये बहुत अच्छा चैप्टर भी है क्योंकि ये आपके यही नहीं, आगे जो सिलेबस आएगा उसमें भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट प्ले रोल करेगा। तो लीनियर इक्वेशन के बारे में बात करें तो फर्स्ट एक टॉपिक आता है हमारे माइंड में, कॉन्सेप्ट ये आता है कि बच्चों व्हाट इज़ लीनियर इक्वेशन बोलेंगे किसको। तो देखिए, अगर यहाँ पे बात की जाए लीनियर इक्वेशन की, किसके बच्चों, लीनियर इक्वेशन की बात की जाए तो लीनियर इक्वेशन मतलब वो ऐसे इक्वेशन जिसकी डिग्री कितनी हो, डिग्री हो 1 हो या फिर 1, ठीक है, जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो 1। जैसे अगर मैं कोई इक्वेशन लिखता हूँ, इक्वेशन मैंने लिखा 4x + 2, तो यहाँ पे एक कांस्टेंट का टर्म है, तो दो टर्म्स जब कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल की बात करेंगे बच्चों, तो कांस्टेंट टर्म में देखिए क्या आएगा, कांस्टेंट टर्म में 4 और 2 आएगा, मतलब इसका 4 और जो 2 है दैट्स कॉल्ड अ कांस्टेंट टर्म, ठीक है। बात करें इसके वेरिएबल का, तो वेरिएबल जो x है ये आपका क्या होगा, वेरिएबल होगा। तो आपको जो लीनियर इक्वेशन है, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से आप ये भी समझ में आ गया कि सर लीनियर इक्वेशन किसको बोलेंगे, जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो 1। तो यहाँ पे इसकी डिग्री देखिए, x की डिग्री कितनी है, x की डिग्री क्या है 1। डिग्री मतलब हो गया कि जो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल यूज़ होगा उसका एक्सपोनेंट कितना है, ठीक है। जो भी वेरिएबल यहाँ पे यूज़ होगा उसका एक्सपोनेंट हमें देखना है कि उसका एक्सपोनेंट कितना होगा। तो यहाँ पे जो वेरिएबल यूज़ हो रहा है बेटा, उसका एक्सपोनेंट कितना है, 1 है। सो दिस इज़ लीनियर इक्वेशन। और वेरिएबल क्या यूज़ हुआ, सर यहाँ वेरिएबल x यूज़ हुआ, इसलिए इसको बोलेंगे 1 वेरिएबल, ठीक है। तो आगे की क्लासेस में आपको 2 वेरिएबल्स मिलेंगे, x एंड y। जनरली हम यही लेते हैं, x एंड y लेते हैं। तो अभी हमें डिस्कस करना है केवल 1 वेरिएबल पे, तो अभी हम केवल इसके 1 वेरिएबल पे डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके बच्चों, चलो देखो आगे देखिए। तो यहाँ से जैसे कुछ और मैं एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, जैसे कुछ और एग्जांपल मैं लेता हूँ, उसको समझिएगा। जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लिया 2y + 3, तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा, लीनियर होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे y का एक्सपोनेंट क्या है, 1। या फिर मैं सिंपली अगर 2y भी लेता हूँ तो भी क्या होगा, एक लीनियर इक्वेशन होगा। देयर इज़ नो नीड टू कि इसके पास प्लस और माइनस होके कोई नंबर रहे या ना रहे, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है। तो आई होप आपको चीज़ें समझ में आ गई होंगी। तो चलिए चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। यस, तो हेयर वी गो। सो दिस इज़ एक्सरसाइज 8.1। तो एक्सरसाइज 8.1 में काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन हैं, अप्रॉक्स आपके ऐसे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन तो केवल इसमें 2 ही क्वेश्चन हैं, बस उसको क्या किया है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया है। तकरीबन 15 क्वेश्चन तो आपको केवल 1 में कर दिया है और उसके बाद सेकंड में है। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि क्वेश्चन को हम लोग क्या है इसमें। तो फर्स्ट है, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन एंड चेक योर आंसर। आपको पहले क्या करना है, पहले तो आपको सॉल्व करना है, फिर आपको अपने आंसर जो आंसर आएगा उसको चेक करना है। तो दिस इज अगेन आई टोल्ड यू, दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 8.1। ओके बच्चों, look it. So it is given that 5x + 4 upon 2x + 3 is equal to 2. Now just consider 1 this side. हमने क्या मान लिया, 1 this side मान लिया 2/1, क्योंकि हर भी किसी भी नंबर के नीचे जो 1 होता है एज अ डिनोमिनेटर वो फिक्स होता है। अब यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। जैसे यहाँ देखो a/b = c/e है ना, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है, ae = bc। तो सेम प्रोसेस हम इसके साथ भी करेंगे। तो यहाँ हो जाएगा 5x + 4 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 1 से = 2x + 3। इट इज़ क्लियर। चलो बच्चों आगे देखो, अभी हो जाएगा 5 में तो 5x ही रहेगा प्लस 4 रहेगा, क्योंकि 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ने वाला। यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 2 × 2 = 4x, ये 4x हो गया, प्लस 3 × 2 = 6 हो गया। अब करना क्या है, जो x के कंपोनेंट हैं उनको एक साइड और जो y के कंपोनेंट हैं उनको अदर साइड। तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 5x - 4x = 6 - 4। सो दिस विल बी 5x में से 4x जाएगा तो आपका x बचेगा और यहाँ पे 2 बचेगा। तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, 2 आ गई। अब कह रहा है आंसर चेक करना है, तो आंसर चेक कैसे करेंगे आप? आंसर चेक करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये जो x की वैल्यू आई है ना, उसी को इस इक्वेशन में रख दीजिए। तो इक्वेशन हमारा क्या था बच्चों, 5x + 4 था अपॉन 2x + 3 = 2। ठीक है, तो अगर आंसर चेक कर रहे हैं हम लोग, अगर x की वैल्यू हमने 2 रखी, तो ये जो LHS है इसको क्या बोलते हैं, LHS लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और इसको क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों, RHS राइट हैंड साइड। ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो LHS है वो इक्वल आना चाहिए RHS के। तो LHS में वैल्यू रखेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 5 × 2 + 4 अपॉन 2 × 2 + 3। ओके, so this will be 5 2s are 10 plus 4 and 2 2s are 4 plus 3। तो ये कितना हो जाएगा बच्चों, 10 + 4 कितना हो गया 14, और 4 + 3 कितना हो गया 7, 7 × 7 7 2s are 14। तो ये 2 = 2 आ गया, मतलब आपका आंसर जो है वो क्या है, बिल्कुल सही है। अगर ये 2 = 2 आ जाता है तब तो हमारा आंसर सही है, अदरवाइज आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन हो गया। चलिए सेकंड की बात करते हैं। ओके, तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन हम पिक करते हैं। तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है बच्चों, देखो, इट्स गिवन दैट 3 - y अपॉन y + 5 = 5/7। अब फिर से करेंगे हम इसका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। तो जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा, 3 - y × 7 = 5y + 5। क्लियर नाउ? So 7 3s are 21 minus 7y, and this will be 5y, and 5 5s are 25. Now you have to find the value of y, so take y this side and 21 this side. So this will become minus 7y and minus 5y = this is 25, and when we take 21 from this side to this side, so this will be minus 21. Now just look at here, so this is minus 7y and this is minus 5y, so minus minus result is positive, so this will be minus, and 7 5 12y, so this is minus 12y. And now here when you solve this equation, so you will get as a 4 as a result. Now we have to find the value of y, so just take this number, so y is equal to 4pi minus 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so result is y is equal to minus 1/3. We never put the value negative in a denominator, that's why I'm just taking a minus as a numerator. Okay, so this is your result, and when you check the answer check, so in this case what you do, listen students, just put the value of y in this equation. So this is 3 minus y upon y plus 5. Now just put the value of, so 3 minus 1/3 upon, what is value of y? Y is minus 1/3 plus 5. Just consider by 1 by 1. So this will be 3/1 minus minus plus 1/3, and this will be, okay, I'm just take 5/1 on the front side, so this will be 5/1 minus 1/3. Now solve this. When you solve this, so you get 3 3s are 9 plus 1/3, and this will be 3 5s are 15 minus 1/3. So 3 3 cancel, so you get 9 plus 1 10, and 15 minus 1 is 14. So just divide it. So both number divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. So your answer is 5/7, and 5/7 is equal to this RHS. 5/7 is equal to RHS, so this RHS. So our answer is correct. So okay, now just take this next question number 3. Okay students, it's given that 2 minus x, sorry, that's a 2z. Just a wait. Question number 3 is 2 minus x upon, why I'm writing x, this is z, 2 minus z upon z plus 16 is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, that is the same question. So in this question we again doing the same process. What that process is, cross multiply. Now 2 minus z multiplied with 5 is equal to z plus 16 multiplied with 3. So you get 5 to the 10 minus 5z is equal to 3z plus 16 3 is 48. It is clear? Good. Now students, the next process is that we have to find the value of z. So take z one side and take other side. So this will be minus 5z and this is plus 3z. When we take plus 3z from this side to this side, so this sign will be changed. So this is minus 3z is equal to 48 and this is plus 10, so this will minus 10. So you will get minus minus both, so minus 8z is equal to, this will be 38. Okay, because 48 minus 10 is equal to 38. Now students, we have to find the value of z. So z is equal to minus 38 upon 8. This is 3. 38 upon 8. So this is divisible by 2. So 2, just divide by 2. So 2 4s are and 2 19s are. So value of z is equal to 19 by 4. Okay. So we get the value of z 19 by 4. Now just put these value on this equation, answer check. If LHS is equal to RHS, then our answer is correct, otherwise it's maybe something wrong. So just put here 2 minus z upon z plus 16. Okay, so this will be 2 minus what is value of z is minus 19 by 9, minus 19 by, oh sorry, that is 4 na? 19 by 4 upon minus 19 by 4 plus 16. Okay, now just consider 1 this side and 1 this side, so it will be become 2 by 1 and minus minus is plus 19 by 4 and this will be okay, so minus 19 plus by 4 and plus 16 by 1. Now just solve this. So when you solve this, so LCM of this is 4, so 2 2s are 4 plus 19 by 4 upon, and this one minus 19 plus 16 4s are 64 upon 4. 4 cancel each other, so this will be 19 plus 4, so this will be 23, and this will be, when you subtract this, so you will get how much, 14 minus 9, so you will get 3, and here is 5 4 43. So it will little bit wrong something, because answer is coming 23 upon 43. So just check out where is we will wrong. Let me see the portion once again. So this is 2 minus z, so 2 minus z, okay, z plus 16, 3 by 5, okay, so that's correct, and multiply by 2, so 5 to the 10, 5z, okay, 3z and 63 is 48, okay. Yes, this side, so minus, okay, minus 5z minus 3z, okay, this plus 10, when it comes as minus 10. Oh, it's all okay, so why answer is not correct? Okay, that's the question number 3rd now. Just wait. Answer is correct. 19 by 4. Answer is correct. Maybe I am doing something wrong here. Why is not equal to 3 by 5? Okay, just wait students, let me see where is wrong. So 2 minus z upon 2 plus z, 16, z plus 16, so 2 minus 19 by 4, so plus. Okay, if I just directly solve this equation, so this will be 4 to the 8 minus, yes, that is wrong. Here is 1 na, when you take LCM, so this will become 8. Okay, because we have to multiply 4 this side, so 8 plus 19, 8 plus 19, okay, 8 plus 19 by 4, and this will be 1, so we also multiply by 4 this side, so this is 64, and when we add these two numbers, so this will become 27 upon, and this is 64 minus 19, so when you take s, this is 14, 14 minus 9 is 5, I'm doing wrong here, okay, 5, and this is 5 minus 1, 4. Now is correct. So 9 3s are 27 and 9 5s are 45, so 3 by 5. Now is correct student. So I'm just doing here mistake, a single mistake, so sorry for that. Now let's solve question number 4. Okay, just wait. Now question number 4 students. What is given that in question 4 is given that 5x plus 2 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 12 by 7. Okay, now just cross multiply, so this will be 5x plus 2 into 7 is equal to 12, 2x plus 3. Just multiply, just open your bracket, so you will get 5 7s are 35x, okay, and this will 7 2s are 14. Now in this equation 12 2s are 24x and 12 3s are 36, okay. So students, this will be 35x minus 24x, because we have to find the value of x, and this is 36 minus 14, okay. So necessary step is that when you subtract, so 35 minus 24, so 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 11x is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 22. So x is equal to what? 22 by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, so x is equal to 2. Now just put 2 in this question, so this will be 5 into 2 plus 2. I am directly solve this, okay, and 2 into 2 plus 3. So this 5 2s are 10 plus 12, and 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7, 12 by 7. So your answer is correct. Okay, I am just trying to do so fast. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ज़्यादा फास्ट है तो आप एक बार यहाँ पे फंक्शन गिवन है वहाँ पे स्लो कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Now 5 is done, 4 is done. Now turn is question 5. It's given that 2x plus 1 upon 3x minus 2 is equal to 9 by 10. Okay students, now just you can cross multiply. That's a very easy exercise. I told you that's a very easy exercise. 10 is equal to 9 3x minus 2. Just cross multiply students, so this will be 10 2s are 20x and plus 10 is equal to 9 3s are 27x minus 2. So this will be, we have to find the value of x na, so just take 27 this side, so this will be 20x minus 27x, and this is minus 2 and minus 12. So students, look at here, this is 20x and this is minus 27y, so your answer is minus 7x, and this will be minus 12. So minus minus cancel each other, x is equal to 12 by 7, and I am sure about this answer that is correct. So if you want to check, just put this value here and check this value, okay. So that's it's your homework. Now this is question number 6. Okay student, look at about the question number 6 is given that 5 minus 7y upon 2 plus 4y is equal to minus 8 by 7. Okay, my dear students. So just look at here. When you cross multiply, so this will be 5 minus 7y multiplied with 7 is equal to minus 8, and this is 2 plus 4y. It is clear? Nice. Okay dear, just look at my dear students. 7 5s are 35 and 7 7s are 49y. So this is 49y. Now in this equation 8 2s are 16, so minus 16, and minus 4 8s are 32. Okay, so now we have to find the value of y. So just take y on side and other side. So this will be become minus 49y, and look at here, minus 32y. So when you take minus 32y this side, so this will become plus 32y, and this is minus 16 already is given that, and this is 35. When you come this side, it minus 35. Now solve this. So this is minus and that is a plus, so it means that we have to subtract this one. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 17y is equal to, now both are minus, so must be is it positive. So minus 5 6 11 1 and 3 1 4 and 5. So y is equal to what? Minus 51 upon minus 17. And we know that 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51, so y is equal to 50, y is equal to 3, sorry, y is equal to 3. Okay my dear students, I hope you will get this answer. Now jump on the next question. Question number 6 is done now. Now turn is question number 7. Okay, don't worry, I will solve all the questions. Is that 2y So 12y is equal to, when you solve, so you will get 8. Now you have to find the value of y. So y is equal to 8 by 12, and we know that both number divisible by 4, so 4 2s are and 4 3s are. So your answer is equal to y is equal to 2 by 3. It is clear? Okay students, now jump on the next question, question number 8. Question number 8. So what is question number 8? Is given that it's very interesting question, because at this time is given in this form, like a fraction form. So it is in 2 by 3x plus 1 upon x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay students, now again it is not matter what is the form. Simple thing, if the question given in this form, so just we have to do a single step, that was a cross multiplication step. So this is 2 by 3x plus 1 multiply with 3, and this is 5 x plus 1 by 4. Now just cross multiply, so you will get 2 by 3x into 3 plus 3 ones are 3, and in this step 5x plus 5 by 4, because 1 by 4 into 5, it means 5 by 4. Just look at here, why I am writing 3 this side, because 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, is cancel each other. So this will be 2x plus 3, and this is 5x plus 5 by 4. Now we have to find the value of x. Just take this side x on other side and rest of other side. So this will be 5x is equal to 5 by 4 minus 3 by 1. Okay students, so this will be minus 3x is equal to, okay, when you solve this, so 5 minus 4 3s are 12 upon 4. It is clear students? Now when you solve this equation, so minus 3x is equal to, this will be minus 7 by 4. Minus minus cancel each other, so x is equal to what? 7 upon 4 into 3. So this is equal to, x is equal to 7 upon 12, and this is your answer. Okay students, so here is question number 8 we solve. Now jump on the next question, question number 9. So here is question number 9. This is also the same form. It is given that 2x minus 3 by 4 upon 9x plus 4 by 7 is equal to 1 by 4. Now I already told you students, there is no afraid about this to see this question, how to solve that question. That is a very simple question, and you have to just do simple thing, just to cross multiply. Now so 2x minus 3 by 4 multiply with 4 is equal to 9x plus 4 by 7 multiply with 1. So this will be become 4 to the 8x minus, so 3 by 4 into 4 is equal to, this will be 9x plus 4 by 7. Okay students, now so 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, it is cancelled, so your remaining is 8x minus 3 is equal to 9x plus 4 by 7. So you have to find the value of x now. Just take 9x this side, so this will be 8x minus 9x, and this will be 4 by 7 plus 3. Just consider 1 on denominator, so this will be minus x. Why? Because 8x minus 9x is given that, and we know that we take sign always the bigger number, so minus 9 is the bigger, so just I take minus x. When you solve, so you will get 4 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 7. So minus x is equal to 21 plus 4, 25 by 7. So x is equal to minus 25 by 7, and this is your answer. X is equal to minus 25 by 7. Okay, now jump on the next question fastly. So question number 10. Question number 10. What is given that? That's a very easy, yeah. You can easily solve this one. But I don't worry. I told you if I say that, then I will give this all the solution of questions. Okay, students. So this 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Now just cross multiply. So again 3x plus 4 multiply with 4 is equal to 3. This is 2x minus 4. Okay. So 3 4s are 12 plus 4 4s are 16. 3 2s are 6x minus 3 4s are 12. Okay students, so we need the value of x, so just take 6x this side, so this will become 12x minus 6x is equal to minus 12, and this is plus 16 now when you take this side, so this will become minus 16. So here is that 12x minus 6x, so it is 6x is equal to minus 12 plus minus 16, so this is add minus sign, and 6 to 8 and 2 minus 28, so x is equal to minus 28 upon 6. Now just divide it, so 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So value of x, this is x not 6, value of x is equal to minus 14 by 3. Okay, now jump on the next question, question number 11. So what is question number 11? Just look at, it's given that Yes. That is a nice question. It's given that 2 minus 7x upon 1 minus 5x is equal to 3 plus 7x upon 4 plus 5x. These questions are given. So how to solve this question? Look at, this is your first term and this is your second term. So just doing cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, so this will be 2 minus 7x into 4 plus 5x. Okay students, and when you multiply 3 plus 7x into 1 minus 5x, इसका इधर और इसका इधर. Now what you have to do, just look at this equation will be changed like in this form, 2 minus 7x into 4, what is sign here, plus 2 minus 7x plus 5x is equal to, now I'm just write here 1 minus 5x multiply with 3, and what is sign here, plus 7x 1 minus 5x. Why I break the plus 1? Because if I break the plus 1, so there is no need to change the sign. Otherwise if I break the minus 1, so it will change the sign. So that was confusing, so that's why I am not doing that one. Okay, now then just 4 to the 8, so this is 8. I'm just change the paint color, just wait, because I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so 8 minus 7 4s are 28x. Okay students, so 5x into 2, so this will be 10x, minus 7 5s are 35, or x into x square. Okay students, so now just look at for this one. So 3 1s are 3, 5 3s are 15x, plus 7 1s are 7x, and minus 7 5s are 35, and x square. Clear students? Just look at, now solve this one. So this is minus 8x and plus 10x, so this will be 8 minus 18x, because it is minus, it is plus, and minus 35x square is equal to this is 3. Okay, 3 minus 15x plus 7x, so this will be 8x minus 35x square. Okay, now students, take the numerator one side and the coefficient and variable and numerator other side. So this will be minus 18x minus 35x square, and from this side minus will become plus 8x plus 35x square. I'm talking about this two number, is equal to 3, and here is plus 8, so this will be minus 8. Just look at, this is minus 35x square and this is plus 35x square, so it is cancelled, and here minus 18x and minus 8x, so this will be minus 10x, and this side minus 5, so minus minus cancel each other, so x is equal to what, 5 by 10, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, so x is equal to 1 by 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो कह सकते हैं क्वेश्चन देखने में बड़ा था बट इज़ नॉट इन अ सोल्यूशन, दैट इज़ अ वेरी इजी. इसको आप लोग एक बार और रिपीट कर लीजिएगा, देन यू डेफिनेटली क्लियर योर डाउट्स. नाउ जंप ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. सो 12 इज सेम. what is given that? It is given that 5x plus 2 upon x minus 4 is equal to 10x upon 2x minus 3. Now just cross multiply. So students, you will get 5x plus 2 multiply with 2x minus 3 is equal to 10x multiply with x minus 4. Okay my dear students, so look at here. So 5x multiply with 2x minus 3 plus 2 multiply with 2x minus 3 is equal to, so 10x square, this is 10x square, and minus 10 4s are 40. Clear? Good. Now students, 5 2s are 10, and x square minus 5x into 3, तो 15x square. 2 2s are 4x minus 6 is equal to 10x square minus 40x. And now just look at the students, here you can able to see these two number 10x square and 10x square both are different and the same sign. If it is given that ना कि दोनों साइड क्या हो, बिल्कुल सेम नंबर हो और दोनों का साइन क्या हो, बिल्कुल सेम हो ना, तो आप इनको क्या करो, कैंसिल कर दो. नाउ कैंसिल ईच अदर, सो यू विल गेट, now you have, okay, that's a 15x not x square, I'm just writing here wrong, so this will be minus 11x minus 6 is equal to minus 40x. Just take 40 this side and 6 this side, so this will be become minus 11x plus 40x as equal to plus 6. When you solve this one, so you will get 10 में से 1 जाएगा, so 9, and 3 में से 1 जाएगा तो 2. 29x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 29. So here is your answer. Okay, now now talk about the question number next, that was x triple I 13. So what is 13? Just look at how much is given that, yeah. Question number 13 is given that x square minus x plus 1 and x plus 2, okay, 5x plus 1. I told you one secret, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से पहले कभी भी ये माइंड में मत बना लेना कि ये बहुत टफ है, अदरवाइज ना आपका क्वेश्चन आता हुआ रहेगा तो भी क्या हो जाएगा आपसे, वो गलत हो जाएगा. तो ये क्वेश्चन अभी माइंड में कभी मत बनाना कि ये मेरे से नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट ना, then you say that that is a very tough, I can't able to solve that. So without solving, how can you say that that is a very tough question? So my dear students, please firstly take our time, after that solve this question. Okay, after that you decide if that is a tough topic. Okay, without solving, don't so I just solving this equation, so you will get x square minus, okay, now just multiply this one, so just take this, now x multiply with x, so x square, x multiply with 2, so plus 2x, plus 1 multiply with x, so x, and 1 multiply with 2, so is 2, and this is 5x plus 1 is equal to 6 by 1. So this will be x square. Now just open the bracket, and whenever you open the bracket, all signs are changed, so it is minus x square. Okay, just look at 2x plus x, it will be 3x, but it will be minus 3x due to minus sign of the bracket, and minus 2 is equal to 6 5x plus 1. Clear? Just look at x square minus x square, cancel, so it is minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 6 5s are 30 plus 6 1s are 6, so this is minus 3x, and take this 30 this side, so minus 30x is equal to 6, and minus 3 minus 2 is given that, take this side, so plus 2, so this will be minus 33x, and here 6 to 8, so x is equal to minus 8 upon 33. So you will get the value of x is equal to 8 minus 8 upon 33. Okay, now question number 14. Question number, what is given that? It is given that 2x plus 3 minus 5x minus 7 upon 6x plus 11 is equal to minus 8 by 3. Now students, firstly open this bracket. When you open the bracket now, just look at what happened with this equation. So this is minus, so will we change the sign of this one? So minus 5x and plus 7 upon 6x plus 11 is equal to minus 8 by 3. Okay students, so this is minus 2x and this is minus 5, this is 2x and this is minus 5x. So your answer is minus 3x plus 3 plus 7 plus 10. 6x plus 11 is equal to minus 8 by 3. Now just cross multiply. So you will get minus 3x plus 10 multiply with 3, and this is minus 8 multiply with x plus 11. Okay students, so here 3 3s are 9x plus 30 is equal to 8 6 are 48x and plus minus minus 88. We have to find the value of x. So students, minus 9x, take minus 40 this side, so this will be plus 48x is equal to, this is minus 88 minus 30. Now solve this equation. So 88 minus 9, so we will get 18, so 9 38x is equal to, when you solve this, so you will get 8, sorry, this is minus my both now, so we have to do plus. So 8 and 8 3 12, sorry 11, to minus, so x is equal to minus 118 upon 39. Just check. Okay, maybe not, because 8 to 10, so it's not divisible by 3, and 13, so 13 3s are, it is 117, so just x is equal to minus 118 upon 39. Okay, just let me check this answer, it is correct or maybe wrong. We just one minute students, just give me a single minute. So this is question number, yes, that is correct, minus 118 upon 39, that's your answer is correct. Now okay, so this is question number 14. So we have one more, two more questions are remaining, so jump on the next two more questions. So that is your next question. So question number 15 is that what is given, that is given that 5 1 minus x plus 3 2x plus 1 upon 4 minus 3x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now when you solve this, now first you solve that one. So 5 minus 5x, 3 to the 6 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now students, so when you solve this equation now, so just look at it, minus 5x plus 6x, so it will be x, and plus 5 plus 3 8 upon 4 minus 3x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Just doing cross multiply, so you will get 2x plus 16 is equal to minus 4 plus 3x. How is come? I told you it is minus, so when you multiply with minus in this term, so sign will be changed. So take x one side, so 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 16. So this is minus, or just wait, minus, because this is plus now, when you come to this side it's minus, so this is minus x and this is minus 20, minus minus cancel each other, so x is equal to 20, and this is your answer students. Okay, so now we have the one final question of that one longest questions, that is 16. what is given that, देखो देखने में कितना खतरनाक लग रहा है, बट ये उतना ही easy है. It given that 8x minus 5 minus 1 by 4, 8x minus 4 upon 3x minus 2 minus 1 by 3, 6x minus 3 is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay student, first is solve this side. So 8x minus 5, just multiply 1 by 4 in this bracket, so you will get 8x by 4 and plus 4 by 4. So here you will get 3x minus 2 minus 6x by 3 and plus 3 by 3 is equal to 4 by 5. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Okay students, so your new equation is that 8x minus 5 minus 2x plus 1 upon 3x minus 2 minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. Now so this is 8x and this is minus 2x, so 8x 2x is equal to this will be 6x and minus 5 plus 1, so this is minus 4 upon this is 3x minus 2x, so this is x, and this is minus 2 plus 1, so minus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. So students, just doing cross multiply, so 6x minus 4 multiplied with 5 is equal to 4x minus 1. Now just cross multiply, so 6 5s are 30, 5 4s are 20 is equal to 4x are 4 minus 4. ठीक है, सो ये कितना हो गया बच्चों, ये आपका 30x, टेक 4 दिस साइड, सो माइनस 4x is equal to minus 4 and plus 20. So now this is 26x is equal to 16. So you have to find the value of x, so x is equal to 16 upon 26. 2 8s are 2 13s are, so x is equal to 8 upon 13. Okay students, so now here we done all 15 questions, 16 questions. Now the next and last question of this exercise is that what is saying that find a positive value, find a positive value of variable x, यानी x का एक positive value आपको find करना है, for which the given equation is satisfied. तो x का वो एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, जैसे x का कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकता है 1 2 3 4, लेकिन क्या होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, जो इस इक्वेशन क्या करे, सेटिस्फाइड करे. तो जस्ट लुक एट दिस इक्वेशन, व्हाट इज गिवन दैट, इट गिवन दैट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 5 by 4, 5 by 4. Now just cross multiply, so this will be 4x square plus 4 is equal to 5x square minus 5. Okay, so take x square this side, so this will be 4x square minus 5x square is equal to minus 5, and this is plus 4, so this is minus 4. So students, this will be minus x square and this is minus 9, because this is 4x square and this is minus 5x square, so minus x square, and this is minus 5 minus 4, so this will minus 9. So minus minus cancel each other, so x square is equal to only 9. So x is equal to what, in root of 9. ये देखो फॉर्मूला होता है, ठीक है. अगर एक्स स्क्वायर इतना है इक्वल टू 9, तो जब एक्स की बात करेंगे तो दो इधर ये एक्स स्क्वायर यहाँ से उठ के यहाँ चला जाए, रूट में चला जाएगा. नाउ वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट 3 into 3. सो जब ये रूट के बाहर आएगा ना, तो एक्स इक्वल टू क्या आता है, प्लस माइनस 3 आता है. क्या आता है बेटा, प्लस माइनस 3. बट इज सेइंग दैट पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. ओके, तो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू प्लस 3. ओके, अगर आपको आंसर चेक करना है, देख लो आंसर चेक कैसे करेंगे. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1, जस्ट पुट ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ x इज 3, सो 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 1, सो 3 3 is 9 प्लस 1 और 9 minus 1. So 10 upon 8. So 2 5s are 2 4s are 5 by 4. Okay students, so here we done our exercise 8.1. So exercise 8.1 आपका यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है. I hope आपको सारे क्वेश्चन समझ में आए होंगे. In case you have any doubt in any question, just repeat and see the video again. I hope आपको दोबारा समझ में आ जाएगा. In case अगर मैंने आपको काफ़ी तेज़ से पढ़ाया है तो आपके पास प्रोसेस है, आप कर सकते हो, वीडियो को स्लो कर सकते हो और क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से समझ सकते हो. तो आई होप आपको सारे क्वेश्चन समझ में आए होंगे. तो प्लीज़ अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो उसको लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब तो करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा चैनल पे, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो. ठीक है बच्चों, तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जब हम आपसे मिलेंगे तो हम बात करेंगे इसके नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज की. दैट वाज एक्सरसाइज 8.2. ओके क्लास, थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू अगेन एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो. एंड प्लीज़ अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. हैव अ नाइस डे. गुड बाय.